Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to update your data and refresh your Power BI dashboard so you always have the most accurate and up-to-date insights at your fingertips. Whether you need to clean up old information or make changes to your data table, this quick tutorial will guide you through every step. By the end, you'll know how to remove unwanted data, add new fields, and keep your dashboard nailed down with the freshest numbers. So let's jump right in. For this demonstration, I'm using a sample dataset, and let's say I want to remove all data from the year 2021. First, you'll want to make sure you're in the table view. Table view is where you can see your data laid out like an actual table. It makes it much easier to find, select, and manipulate specific rows or columns. Once you're in table view, right-click anywhere on the table itself and choose Edit Query. This action opens the Power Query Editor, a powerful tool that helps you clean and shape your data before it's displayed in your report. Now let's talk about removing those 2021 rows. In the Power Query Editor, look for the Remove Rows option. This is your tool for getting rid of anything you don't need, whether it's outdated data, duplicates, or mistakes. Select Remove Rows and then choose the specific rows you want gone. In our example, you'll select all rows from 2021. Take your time with this step. Accuracy matters here because once those rows are gone and you apply the changes, they won't show up in your dashboard anymore. When you're sure, hit OK. Next, don't forget to click Close and Apply. This tells Power BI to update the data model with your changes, and it might take a few moments depending on your data size. Be patient, Power BI is doing the heavy lifting for you behind the scenes. Sometimes Power BI will automatically refresh your visuals to reflect the new data, but to make sure everything's current, you can always click the Refresh button right at the top. It's easy to spot and acts like a sync button for your dashboard, guaranteeing you're seeing the latest version. Alright, let's say you want to add new information, like creating an extra column for analysis. Head back to Table View and right-click again to select Edit Query. For this example, maybe you'd like to duplicate an existing column. This is super useful if you want a baseline column to experiment with new calculations or transformations while keeping your original data intact. Just find a column, right-click it, and choose Duplicate Column. You'll see the new column appear, usually with a default name like Column 2. To keep things organized, right-click the new header and select Rename. Give it a meaningful name so you'll remember what the column represents later on. That's a habit that pays off in larger reports. If you want to change values in your new or existing column, for instance, correcting a value or running a find and replace, right-click the value or column and select Replace Values. Enter what you want to change and what you want to replace it with. Press OK and Power BI will update everything for you. Finish this process by clicking Close and Apply one more time. Finally, head back to Report View and click Refresh again. That's it. Any data you added or updated is now live in your dashboard. Don't worry if it takes a minute to process. Power BI is doing a lot in the background. I hope you found these steps clear and empowering. If you learned something new or have questions about editing data in Power BI, go ahead and leave a comment below. I'm here to help. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical Power BI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.